Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. We continue our comparison series with Soma Gold and this time with Endeavour Silver. So let's just look at the two stocks. So Soma Gold 1 year chart has gone up almost double. So this is a very good company. It has gone up and I expect it to continue to go up. Endeavour Silver 1 year chart, and it has actually managed to go down in share price. So why is this? Why is one company doing much better than the other? For this, you need to do NPV calculations. That's the only way to know if a company is good or bad. Just look at the cash flows, period. So let's take a look at Endeavour Silver. The production is actually not doing that bad. It went down a bit in 2020, and yeah, that's because El Cubo was at the end of the mine life and production went down. Then they managed to get Guanaceví in production, and that has actually done very well. And the production is now back up to 10 million ounces of silver equivalent per year. That's good. The trend is looking good. Now let's look at the costs. So production is increasing again, right? And I think that production will go up 50% in 2025 to 2026. That's because their Terronera project is coming online in 2025. The all-in sustaining cost is going to drop from the current 22 to maybe 16 because Terronera is a very low cost mine. So that's good. Production up and cost down. So all is well. Same with Soma Gold, production will go up, but much faster. It's already going to go up by next year. And all-in cost is also going down below 1000 gold. So this is silver and this is gold. But you can compare these companies. Now, what is the problem actually with Endeavour Silver? First, let's recap Soma Gold. We have an enterprise value of 70 million somewhere here, and you will get your money back in 2 years, and then there is more growth. That's because the costs are going down in the coming years, and gold is at 2000, so there is plenty of margin, around $1,000 margin currently for Soma Gold. And production is also going to rise from 20,000 to 50,000 by the fourth quarter of this year. So that's a double. Now, what's the problem with Endeavour Silver? We also have a production increase here by 50%, not bad in 2 years, but there's one thing that you need to look at, and that's the CAPEX of Terronera. 230 million CAPEX. 230 million. Okay, what's the net income currently? 40 million. So that's 6 times the current net income. How are they going to finance this? Right? So 230 million CAPEX. When you look at Soma Gold, what's the CAPEX there? Only 10 million. 10 million maybe 20 million, but for later on if they want to increase production again. But this is low CAPEX. We are not talking about hundreds of millions. This is just to get a mine in production. It's only 10 million. Mill expansion, maybe 5 million. But the net income, look at this, is at a 20, 30 million. So we have net income here at 20, 30 million. And at Endeavour Silver, we have 40 million. So it's almost the same even. The net income of Soma Gold and Endeavour Silver is almost the same. But the CAPEX is much lower at Soma Gold, at 10 million. Here it is 230 million. So this is the problem with Endeavour Silver. They need too much money to build the new mine, Terronera. And you can see that here. So I added the CAPEX here. That's 230 million in 2 years. They already used 50 million on that. So that's a problem. So you are going to lose money first. By the way, they also need 120 million in debt. So that debt needs to be paid back and also has 10% interest on that. So interest is going to be around 10 million per year. That's quite a lot for a 40 million net income producer. So this is the problem. First, you will get negative cash flow, and you will only get that paid back in 2030. And then it could start rising. Okay, so to get the 10 million production to 15 million for Terronera. Later on, they will bring Paral also online. So that's another project that needs a lot of CAPEX. And then they will bring it to 20 million production. And then they will increase production again with their newly acquired project. But that's a long way ahead. Probably somewhere 2040 or something. So what's the enterprise value currently? 600 million. So that's somewhere here. As you can see on this chart, here is the enterprise value. So you need to wait until 2040 before you will get your money back. That's the problem here. A lot of CAPEX, and it will take a lot of time to get your money back. With Soma Gold, you will get it back in 2 years. So I hope you understand that Endeavour Silver is not a good investment based on these cash flows. If you have any comment on that, please let me know, because I don't see any great value in Endeavour Silver at this moment. I think it should go lower and lower. Probably, let's say, minus 30%. So that would put this chart somewhere here. Yeah, that's where I would think this stock will go, $2. And I'll see you in the next video.